We are approaching the boundary.
Anomaly detected in sector Gamma.
Not when we are this close to becoming whole. Prepare for entry. Whatever waits inside, we face it together. We don't turn back from this. Not now. Not when we are this close to becoming whole. Prepare for entry.
DC, scan the sector for energy spikes.
Already on it, Cryton.
Whatever waits inside,
Meridium, reroute power to shields.
we face it together.
Anomaly detected in sector Gamma.
Cryton, are you seeing this data? Affirmative, Genesis. What's our next move?
Affirmative, Genesis.
We're entering the outer field now. Systems are reacting, it's not stable. This place, it's alive. It's watching us.
Return to the chorus, but add more layers, a powerful vocal harmony, sweeping strings.
Wait. It's reacting to us. Let me settle it. Easy, easy. It's finding balance again.
Bound by the light, no matter how far. Through endless night, we carry the flame. The cosmos calling. We answer again.
Trajectory holding, just barely. The field is unstable, but there is a pattern. There is always a pattern. Stay with it.
Hold formation. We're not drifting, that's the field pulling. Stay tight.
Initiating repairs.
Ancient stars through nebula, skies. We hear the song that never dies. We are the children of the stars, bound by the light, a timeless flame. A grand uplifting melody with orbital strings and bold synth layers. A dirty driving beat to convey eternity.
Wait. It's reacting to us. Let me settle it. Easy, easy. It's finding balance again.
Adjusting trajectory. There's a narrow path. Follow my lead. Hold steady. It's shifting, but it's not random.
Introduce a new motions. Another crowd for Ninder moves. Another carbis left enough. They leave on much, just what balloons. We are the children of the stars, bound by the light, no matter how far. Through endless
We're too close to turn back. Keep moving. It's tightening around us. Not by choice. That wasn't the plan.
Trust the pattern. It's opening for us. Stay on course. We're drifting offline.
the black seas of infinity. We leave our marks on history.
Anomaly detected in sector Gamma.
Diverting power to diagnostics.
Initiating repairs.
I can feel the pulse. We're not alone. I'm stabilizing. Give me a second.
I'm stabilizing. Give me a second. I've got it. Hold steady. The path hasn't. Just follow it.
Powerful vocal harmony, sweeping strings, and dynamic drums. We are the
Just to break through. The path, the trials, the fight to hold together. It was never about the barrier. It was about this moment.
We made it through. They're here. Everything led to this. No turning back now. We finish this together.
Anomaly detected in Sector Gamma.
Diverting power to diagnostics.
Status nominal. Initiating repairs.
Lost in the glow of ancient stars, through nebula and endless skies. We hear the song that never dies. We are the children of the stars.
We're through.
Bound by the
They're
light,
right
the
there.
timeless flame.
No hesitation. We end this now.
With orbital strings and bold synth layers, a steady driving beat to convey determination and all. We are the children of the stars, bound by the light, no matter how far. Through endless night, we carry the flame. The cosmos is calling. We answer again.
We made it!
We're here.
Introduce a new motions, another crowd for
Together.
another car.
We've arrived!
Teacher.
All of us.
We are the children of
Together.
stars, bound by the light, no matter how far. Through endless night, we carry the flame. The cosmos is calling. We answer again.